Okay, everyone, welcome to EVS class. The date is 2nd July today, and I'm sharing the screen with everyone now. Okay, so what are the Zoom norms? You will find a quiet place to sit. आप कोई भी घर पे क्वाइट प्लेस जहाँ पे ज्यादा आवाज नहीं हो, आप कंसंट्रेट कर सकते हो. यू कैन लिसन टू दीदी. फाइंड अ प्लेस एंड सिट देयर. ओके, व्हेनेवर यू हैव क्लास, जब भी आपका क्लास होगा आप ऐसी जगह पे बैठना वेयर यू विल नॉट बी डिस्टर्ब. And second, keep your mic on mute. Don't unmute your mic. Okay, otherwise you will not be able to hear what Didi is saying. And next is raise your hand to speak. If you know anything or if you want to answer or if you want to ask question, आप hand raise करोगे. Okay. And one more thing which is not here, I want you all to do is you will participate. How will you participate? You will write on the chat box. अगर आपको answer आता है, you will write on the chat box. Okay. Okay. Now do now. Every one of you all, I want everyone to look at my screen here. This is a do now question for y'all. So let me see who can do this. This is related to our senses. Okay. So if you know the answer, raise your hand or you can write it on the chat box also. आपको ये book में नहीं लिखना है. No writing on the book. Okay. We are just doing it like this one. Now, first question is ice cream, cake, stone, and cookie. Which is the wrong one here? कौन सा wrong है या कौन सा इसमें match नहीं होता है? Which is the wrong one here? Okay, let me see. Mihir. Mihir, can you tell Didi which is the wrong one here? Unmute yourself, Mihir.
Stone Didi.
Why stone, Mihir? आपको क्यों लगता है stone wrong है? Mihir, unmute again and say why stone.
सकते
Sorry.
क्योंकि हम
Yeah, loudly.
क्योंकि हम उसको खा नहीं सकते.
Very good, Mihir. Excellent. Yes. Ice cream we can eat and taste. Cake we can eat and taste. Cookies we can eat and taste. Can we taste stone? No, we can't taste stone. So stone is the odd one out. So this is wrong. Okay. So all these things are using the sense of what? कौन सा sense हम use करेंगे यहाँ पे? हमने 5 senses learn किया था ना? Which sense we will use here? We are using here. Vedahi. Vedahi is raising hand. Vedahi, please unmute. Vedahi, unmute yourself. Vedahi, you are raising hand. No, please unmute and tell Didi कि आप कौन सा यहाँ पे सेंस यूज करने वाले हो. आइसक्रीम और कुकीज, यहाँ पे हम कौन सा सेंस यूज कर सकते हैं? Which sense do we use? Veda is not able to unmute. Let's go to Arohi Sharma. Arohi.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell दीदी आइसक्रीम, कुकी, केक हम कौन सा सेंस यूज कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे? Which sense?
Tongue.
Tongue. Very good. Excellent. We use the tongue to taste. Good job. Okay, let's go to number 2 quickly. Rose, jasmine, air, mogra. Okay, who can tell me? Rose, jasmine, air, and mogra. Let me see. Okay, Aryan. Aryan, tell me. Aryan Hatkar. Which one is the odd one out here? Which one is the wrong one?
Ear.
Sorry?
Ear.
Air. What is that? Air. आप air बोलोगे. Very good. I can see lot of children writing on the chat also. Arohi is writing. You can write on the chat also the answer. Excellent. Archit is writing air. Yes. Air is the odd one out because we can smell the rose. We can smell the flower jasmine also. We can smell mogra. But can we smell air? Air का smell आता है? We can't smell air. Or we can even say this. We can see the rose, we can see jasmine, we can see mogra, but we can't see air. Air का smell जब कुछ और उसमें smell mix हो जाता है ना, then we are able to smell. जैसे smoke हुआ, धुआं हुआ या कुछ चीज उसमें mix हो जाती है, तब हमको smell आती है. Otherwise, everyone smell now. कुछ smell आ रहा है आपको? No, you can't smell anything now. अगर अगरबत्ती मम्मा अगरबत्ती जलाती है तब हमें स्मेल आती है, वो एयर में मिक्स होके फिर वो हमें स्मेल आती है, राइट? अदरवाइज यू कांट स्मेल इट. गुड जॉब. ओके, नाउ लेट्स गो टू नंबर 3. परफ्यूम, गार्बेज, फूड, sleep. Which is the odd one here? Whether your mic is open, do you want to say? Yes, Vedahi. Vedahi, try. आपका माइक ऑन था, दीदी को नहीं देखा. Still can't hear you, Vedahi. Okay. Let us go to someone else now. Guria. Guria, share दीदी. Which is the odd one? कौन सा wrong है यहाँ पे?
Shake.
Say again. Perfume, garbage, food या sleep. Which is the odd one? Guria, are you there? Okay, no problem. Sumojit, can you share?
Yes.
Which is the odd one, Sumojit? Perfume.
Yes, ma'am.
परफ्यूम है, गार्बेज है, फूड है या स्लीप है? कौन सा रॉन्ग है यहाँ पे? बताओ जल्दी, फास्ट.
Ma'am.
You can write on the chat box also. Yes, I can see Shreya writing sleep. Come on, Sumoji, tell me. Okay. Himanshu, think. You are writing food. See, perfume, smell comes. Garbage, bad smell comes. Food also, when mama cooks, we can smell. Can we smell sleep? Sleep को हम smell कर सकते हैं? No. So here, sleep is the odd one out. This is wrong. Okay, now the last one. Adarsh. Adarsh will share with Didi. Adarsh, tell Didi which is the odd one out. Salty, sweet, sour or phone? Adarsh. Okay, Adarsh has gone. Lakesh, you share. Lakesh, आप बोलो कौन सा wrong है यहाँ पे? Salty, sweet, sour या phone?
मैं नहीं बोल पाई. कौन सा?
नंबर 4 वाला. कौन सा रॉन्ग है इसमें? सॉल्टी, स्वीट, सार या फोन? Come on, think. Others write on the chat. Everyone write on the chat. Yes, Lakesh.
Phone.
Phone. Very good, Lakesh. Good job. Phone is wrong here. Because salty मतलब नमक नमक हमें टेस्ट लगता है ना नमक. Sweet मीठा मीठा हम टेस्ट करते हैं ना मीठा मीठा. Sour मतलब खट्टा. हम नींबू खाते हैं तो हमें खट्टा लगता है. So that also we taste. But phone हम टेस्ट करते हैं क्या? No. Excellent. Good job, everyone. Now, let's go to the next slide. What are we learning? We are learning differentiate between all the senses. जो भी हम senses पढ़े थे उसमें हम अलग अलग क्या है वो देखेंगे आज. Okay. Now let's go to the next slide. Okay. Everyone will look at this chart here. First is sight. Sight means we look with our eyes. We see with our eyes. Second is smell. We smell with our nose. Third is hearing. We hear with our ears. Everyone will repeat after the taste. We taste with our tongue. Touch. We touch with our skin. I can't see everyone repeating. 5 senses. Everyone show me 5 fingers. Eyes, nose, ears, tongue, skin. Repeat after Didi. Eyes, see. Nose, smell. Ears, hear. Tongue, taste. Skin, touch. Okay. I can see a lot of children repeating after Didi. Very good. Now, everyone will make this chart on the book. This is called a T chart. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? T chart. ऐसे एक line बनाओ, standing line and sleeping line. Make line like this in your notebook. And you have to write eyes on one side and nose on one side. एक साइड में आप eyes लिखोगे और एक साइड में आप nose लिखोगे. Come on, everyone, start writing.
Ma'am.
Yes. Tell me.
मुझे समझ नहीं आया.
आप ये है ना जो आपको दिख रहा है अभी स्क्रीन पे आपके, ये आपको बुक में बनाना है. स्टैंडिंग लाइन बनाना है, स्लीपिंग लाइन बनाना है और यू हैव टू राइट आईज. ये आईज लिखा है ना, ये लिखो. और नोज जो लिखा है यहाँ पे वो भी लिखना है आपको. दिस नोज. राइट इन योर नोटबुक.
दीदी क्या लिखना है? मैम डन.
जो दीदी दिखा रही है स्क्रीन पे वो लिखना है. ओके
ओके.
ओके. Who will tell दीदी हमारे पास कितने आईज है? How many eyes we have? Two. Very good. Everyone write. I have 2 eyes.
Two eyes, ma'am.
Yes. Everyone write.
Ma'am,
I have 2 eyes.
Ma'am, 2 eyes.
Yes. Please write. Write it in your book. Okay. Now come this side. How many nose you have? Come this side. How many nose you have?
One.
One nose. Okay. I have 1 nose.
One nose.
Everyone write.
One
I
nose.
have 1 nose.
I have one nose.
Okay. Now let's come this side.
Done.
Number 2.
Done.
What do you do with your eyes? आप क्या करते हो eyes से? What do you do?
See.
I want full sentence answer. I want full sentence answer.
I have seen.
Okay, I see. Everyone will write. I see with my eyes. I see with my eyes. Very good. Okay. What do we do with our nose? What do we do with our nose?
Smell.
Full sentence I want. Come on.
Smell. Is
Aradhya Sanule, what do we do with our nose?
Smell आता है.
Full sentence and in English.
Smell with one nose.
In English.
I have smell. I have smell.
I smell
Smell.
with my nose. Everyone say, I smell with my nose.
I smell with my nose.
Very good. Repeat everyone. I smell with my nose.
I smell with my nose.
Very good. Okay. Now what can we write here? Please. Afreen and Atifa, are you not writing? Please write Afreen. Everyone will write. सब लिखेंगे. I'm looking at everyone. Arohi, start writing. Om is writing. Shreya, write. Everyone will write what is there on the screen. Okay, number 3 now. What can I put here now? What should I put here now? Eyes, हमारे पास 2 eyes है लिखा मैंने. मेरे eyes से मैं देख सकती हूँ. I can see with my eyes. What else should I write here for eyes?
Left and right. Left and right.
Senses. Use your senses.
Left and right.
What can we see with our eyes? हम क्या क्या देख सकते हैं हमारे eyes से?
With my left and right.
What do we see with our eyes?
Tree and house.
Okay, जो भी आपको eyes से दिख सकता है वो यहाँ पे लिखना है. I can see trees, TV. और क्या दिखता है मुझे आईज से? जो भी आपको दिखता है आप वो लिख सकते हो यहाँ पे. ओके, whatever you can see right here. Yes, जो भी आपको दिखता है आपको लिखना है. Vaidehi, what can you see with your eyes? Laksh, what can you see with your eyes? Tell me. Jiyansh, what can you see with your eyes? Animals. Okay.
Wow.
Okay, I will write rainbow. Rainbow, colorful rainbow. Okay. अभी यहाँ पे क्या लिखूंगा? What should I write here? Nose में क्या लिखूंगा? चलो, help me. What can I write on nose? Eyes में दीदी ने लिखा I can see trees. अभी what should I write on nose? I can smell. What can you smell? Nose से हम क्या क्या smell कर सकते हैं? What can you smell? Flowers. Yes. और क्या smell कर सकते हैं? Rose.
Rose. टीचर जी इसको हटाओ.
Continue writing, children. What can you see with your food? Okay. You can smell food also. Very good. Okay. Now I want everyone to write this in your notebook. और अभी आप अपने आप से लिखोगे. Didi is not going to help. हमने पहले eyes और nose का लिखा ना. Now you will write ears and tongue. How many ears you have? How many tongue you have? वो लिखना है आपको. Okay. And आप nose और tongue से ears और tongue से क्या कर सकते हो? And what do you do? क्या क्या चीजें आप जो ears से कर सकते हो, tongue से कर सकते हो? Write in your notebook. Come on. Everyone will write in their notebook. Ears and tongue. Again, वापस से आपको ऐसे ही चार्ट बनाना है, T chart, and start writing. Make a T chart like this again.
Wait. Yes.
Okay. Quickly, start writing. How we wrote with eyes and nose, same you have to write with your ears and tongue. How many ears you have? How many tongues you have?
One.
Yes, write it in your book. Don't tell Didi.
One.
And in down number 2, you will write, what do you do with your ears?
दीदी टेस्ट की स्पेलिंग क्या है? Turn.
Taste. Okay, Didi is writing on the chat, okay? Taste spelling.
T-A-S-T.
Yes, someone is helping us. T-A-S-T-E. Taste.
Then
You can see in your book also. हम homework में लिखते हैं ना. Didi has sent you homework also last time. You can see the spelling from there. Afreen and Atya, start writing. Yes. Yes.
मैम जो हम सुनते हैं ना उसकी स्पेलिंग बताइए ना.
I can hear. Hear. I can hear with my ears. Didi is writing on the chat, huh? Hear spelling. H-E-A-R. Hear. You have to learn all the spellings, children.
H-E-A-R.
Yes, very good, Afreen. Write also, please. Start writing. I can hear with my ears. And last on the third one, what will you write?
Hello,
On the third one, you will write.
My name is Afrin.
I can see Afrin and Atifa are not writing. They're just unmuting and talking. On the third, you will write. What can you hear? आप क्या क्या सुन सकते हो? I can hear music. I can hear TV. I can hear the bell. What all things you can hear? That you will write. And on this side, can someone tell me? Phone also. Yes, me. Abhiraj.
Music.
Abhiraj, tell Didi, what can you taste with the tongue?
Tongue से टेस्ट करते हैं।
What can you taste? I can taste mango. Yes, very good. Okay, children. Quickly finish writing this and you have to send it on WhatsApp chat to Didi today. Okay? Take a nice picture and send it on WhatsApp chat. The class is over. आपको quickly ये पूरा complete करके दीदी को chat पे send करना है. Okay? How we wrote eyes and nose, same you have to write for ears and tongue. Take a picture and send it to Didi, okay? Complete this. ये पूरा complete करके picture लेके दीदी को send करना.
मेरा मोबाइल स्विच ऑफ हो रहा है।
Okay, so I want everyone to say bye bye to your friends. Everyone say bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye everyone.
Bye.